Howdy, my name is Hamza Katal, and this is my Architecture 653 Project 1. For this project, I modeled the Absolute Towers in Ontario, Canada. They're a pair of 56-story condo towers, but the ones that I modeled is an office building, and my parametric attributes are the size of each floor and the rotation of each floor. So I started off with a model of a single floor, which is just an ellipse, and here I have it set to a circle. But you can see that in this family you can edit the values of each of the radii. So if we set that to 150, we can see that the ellipse changes, and then we can also set the angle over here. So we want to make that 90 degrees. We can set that, and that flexes as well. Next, I imported this into another mass model for my building mass. This is just 56 of those single ellipse stories that have had their elevation changed individually. And we can go here and create some pretty interesting shapes with this. So this one over here, the rotation starts at 0 at the base and then goes all the way up to 360 at the top. What happens here is the family automatically calculates the angle for each of the floors given the 4 input rotations. You've got the bottom, the top, and each quarter point. So looks like we only have time to show you one other one of these, so we'll do something kind of cool where the bottom and the top don't rotate at all, and the middle rotates through 180 degrees. So you do that, 180, and this one is 90. And if I did that correctly, you can see that the building has no rotation, and then the middle half rotates 180 degrees, and then the top doesn't rotate at all. So you can make some pretty cool shapes with this. Once that was done, I added it into an envelope family. Oops, sorry, wrong one. I added it into an envelope family where I defined the curtain wall system and using the divide surface command. Then I added that into my Revit project, and I'll show you that. So here's my Revit project. You can see that there's a garage structure that I made with cars and the actual building itself. I made a typical floor plan, which is just an office. So it's got conference rooms and cubicles and stuff like that. I also made two rendering views, which we can look at here. So this first one is a view from inside the break room. You can see the garage out here, and this second one is a view from the outside of the top floor of the garage, looking at the building itself. Other than that, that is my project. Thank you for listening, and I'll take any questions now.